Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed that flow session as much as I enjoyed making it. If you'd like to get a hold of a set of those LED contact poi that I was using in this video, you can use the code DrexFactor with 0 instead of an O at checkout over at ultrapoi.com. Once again, that is DrexFactor with a 0 instead of an O. That will get you 10% off your order. Thank you so much to UltraPoi for sponsoring this video and giving me an excuse to get out and get my flow on. Speaking of thank yous, I owe thanks to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecca, Flowfests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, and UltraPoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links I've got down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friend of the channel, that is Pekha Pekkonen. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. And finally, this video and all the videos on this channel would not exist were it not for my amazing supporters on Patreon. In particular, I'd love to give a shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. Thank you all so much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. And thank you all for watching. If you'd like to check out more of my Flow videos, I'll include links to a playlist of them down in the description as well as up on screen. Thanks so much, I'll see you soon, and have a good one. Peace.